Hopefully, you are well, fit, fine, healthy, and happy, enjoying at home. In the previous video, we have discussed the derivation of completing the square and how to get the quadratic formula. As I told you, don't worry about the derivation. Derivation will not be in the board exam, but derivation is much more important to understand the sum properly, to develop your concept. And here at Maths Mela, we are focusing more on concept building. Hopefully, you will be on my side for this. Now, let's discuss exercise number 4.3, which is totally based on the method completing the square and quadratic formula. So let's see the first sum for question number 1. Find the roots of quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so here the first sum is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Try to remember the steps of that, means how to use that completing the square method. In that, I told you that first of all the equation is there, whatever will be the coefficient of x square, we have to divide the equation by the coefficient of x square. In that, only for first one I will be writing some steps also, after that I will not write it. So in first, what we will do, here the coefficient of x square is what? 2. So what we will do, divide equation by 2. So it will become x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Divided by 2, this 2 that 2 will get cancelled. Divided by 2, so 7 by 2 divided by 2, so 3 by 2. In the next step, what we have to do, we have to take constant. That is, here the constant is 3 by 2 to RHS. Okay, so the operation will get changed. That is, x square minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then the main step of this method is, what we can do is the square of half of the coefficient of x. It means, what is the coefficient of x here? 7 by 2, which is what? Minus. Okay, the coefficient of x is what? 7 by 2. Then multiply it by half and then its square, where what we have to do, add both sides. So what will be getting? X square minus 7 by 2x, and plus we have to add 7 1 7 and then 7 by 4. This square we have to add here also, and we have to add here also. Okay, because why here it is minus 7, you must be thinking that why it is minus 7 into 1, I am not writing it here minus 7, because anyhow whenever you will be doing the square, that time it will become the positive number. That's right. Now if you will observe it, okay, or beyond that, simplify it, x square 7 by 2x 7 by 4 square is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 7 7s are 49 and 4 square is 16. Then let's solve it first. That is x square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 square is equal to, if you will solve it here, the denominator you need to make it equal. So what is the good thing, you can multiply here by 8 and here also by 8. So 3 8s are 24, so minus 24 plus 49 upon 16. If you will observe this side, this is nothing but the expansion of the first term and last term taken together into the bracket and its square. Here it is minus, so you should understand that when it is plus 2ab and when it is minus 2ab. So here it is minus, so here you will be taking x minus 7 by 4 bracket square is equal to 49 minus 24. will give you 25 upon 16. Now what you can do is you have to take the square root on both sides. That is taking square root both sides. So here if you will take square root, you will get 7 by x minus 7 by 4. And what is square root of 25? It is 5. And then square root of 16 it is 4. That is what? 5 upon 4. But whenever you are taking square root, you should take plus and minus. Okay, that is this one. So this number when it will be moving this side, so it will be what? The operation will be reverse, means opposite. So one time you can take, that is 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, or 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So 7 plus 5 is what? 12 by 4. 7 minus 5 is what? 2 by 4. That's why we will get x is equal to 4 1s are 4, 3s are 12, and 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Hopefully you have understood the sum. 3 steps you have to pay more attention. The first one is what? Whatever is the coefficient of x square, divide it, that full equation, by that coefficient. Means make the x square alone. After that, whatever you will get it here, means the coefficient of x in the first step. Then what you have to do, the constant part first of all, take the constant part to the RHS. Then in third step what you can do, whatever is the coefficient of x, the square of half of coefficient of x, you have to add both sides. It is very simple, square of half of coefficient of x. Add to both square, and after that the sum will become a numerical sum which you can solve. Now let's see the sum number 2. Sum number 2 is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now for such, now these sums will not write on the step, directly will solve it. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. So the first thing is what? Divide whole equation by 2. So if you will divide this one by 2, you will get x square. This by 2 means x by 2. This by 2 means 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Right? Again 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Now take the constant number that side. So x square plus x is equal to 2. Now what we are going to do? The square of half means what? 1 by 2 into the coefficient of x by the coefficient of x, that is 1 by 2. It means what? 1 by 4 square. Right? What we have to do? Add 1 by 4 square both sides. Right? So it will become x square x by 2 plus 1 upon 4 square is equal to 2 plus 1 upon 4 its square. Okay, so now if you will observe this, x square plus x by 2 plus square of 1 by 4 is nothing but the expansion of x plus 1 upon 4 square. Okay, and here you will get 2 plus 1 upon 16. Now 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 1 33. So the next step is 1 upon 4 square is equal to 33 upon 16. What you have to do now? Taking square root both sides. What you have to do? Taking square root both sides. So here it will be x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus under root 33 upon 4, because 33 we will not get the square of that one since it is what? A prime number. So we will write it as under root 33 and then plus 4, that is 16 square root. And here we will be writing x is equal to 1 time plus will take minus 1 by 4, or 1 time minus we will take minus 1 by 4. So if you will do it in final step, then it will become under root 33 minus 1 upon 4, or minus under root 33 minus 1 upon 4. This is what the two roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4. Now let's work on sum number 3. What is sum number 3? It is 4x square plus 4 into under root 3x plus 3. So according to the step number 1, the coefficient of x square is what? 4. So what we will do? Divide by 4. You know? Full total equation. If you will divide it by 4, you will get x square. If you will divide it by 4, this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So you will get under root 3x, and then plus 3 upon 4 is equal to 0. In the in the step 2, constant number that side. So x square plus under root 3x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now what we can do? The square of. Okay. The coefficient of this is what? X is what? Root 3. The square, the half of root 3 is what? Root 3 by 2. And the square, we have to add both sides. It means x square plus root 3x plus under root 3 by 2 square. And minus 3 by 4 plus again under root 3 upon 2 square. If you will do it, if you will observe this step, that is what the LHS, you will find out this is nothing but the expansion of x plus root 3 by 2 square, bracket square, and here minus 3 upon 4. Okay, and plus under root 3, root 3 square is what? 3, and 2 square is what? 4. Okay, it means that you will be getting, the thing is what? Under root 3 upon 2 square is equal to 0, right? Because minus 3 plus 3. Now taking square root on both sides. Both sides, what you will get? X plus under root 3 upon 2 is equal to 0, and hence x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. And since it is quadratic equation, so two roots we have to write. So that's why it is what? Minus root 3 by 2. Now let's move on to sum number 4. The last sum of question number 4. Here 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is what? 2. So the first step is what? Divide by 2. So if you will divide it by 2, you will get x square. You will divide it by 2, x by 2. If you will divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. Step 2 is what? Taking constant that side. That is what? Minus 2. Now half of the coefficient of x square. Okay, it means what? X square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 square is equal to minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 square. Right? So here what we will get? If you will observe the first and last terms square, it will be. That is what? X 1 by 4 square is equal to minus 2 plus 1 upon 16. Now what you will get here? X plus 1 by 4 square is equal to 16 into minus 2. That is 16. 16 to the 32. Minus 32 plus 1 will give you minus 31. Okay. Now the last step is what? If you will take the square root of these two numbers, here you will get the square root, but the square root of minus 31. Right now, when you will go in grade 11, so there is what? One more topic, complex number. There you will think that there you will learn that how to solve such kind of sum. But right now at the board level, 10th level, minus 31 square root, we don't have to find out. So this equation has no solution because of the minus 31. Okay, so that's why therefore equation has no solution. Okay, the equation has no solution. Need to pay proper attention to understand such kind of things. But of course, the completing square method is important as well as the quadratic formula is also. Now, question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise number 4.3 are on the same sums. In question number 4, in question number 1, the 4 sums are given which you have to solve by using completing the square method. The same 4 sums in question number 4 you have to solve by using quadratic formula. Since we are going to use quadratic formula every now and then now, so question number 2 right now I am not solving. We are moving forward with question number 3, that is what, find out the roots of the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. The sum number 1 is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. First, bring this sum in the general form of quadratic equation. How it will be? First it will multiply. So x into x square, then minus 1 is equal to 3. Then this here also it will go and here also it will multiply. Okay, so it will become 3x. Now to bring it in the general form, we have to bring all the numbers together like this. That is x square minus 3x minus 1. Now this is in the form of general form of QE. Here if you will compare with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you will find out here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now only one line you have to write by quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a will give you. Now what you have to do? You have to put the values. That is minus will be minus. In place of b, here if you will write down, the value of b is minus 3. Then plus. Okay. Then plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. What is b square now? That is minus 3 square minus 4. A is what? 1. C is what? Minus 1. Then total divided by 2 into what is your A? Again 1. So you will get x is equal to minus into minus will be plus 3 plus minus b square means 3 minus 3 square is what? 9, and then minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, that is again plus 4 divided by what? 2a. 2a means 2 into 1 is what? 2. So finally you will get 3 plus 9 plus 4 is under root 13 upon 2, or 3 minus under root 13 upon 2. These are what? Nothing but the roots of the equation x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Hopefully you have understood. Review it again. Till that we'll solve the sum number 2, which is what? Quadratic formula is what? One of the easiest formula. Now sum number 2, that is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. First bring this equation into the general form of QE. So by cross multiplication you can see x minus 7 into 1 is what? X minus 7. Then this minus as it is. Then 1 into x plus 4 is what? X plus 4. Then multiplication of this 2, that is what? X plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay. Now what will happen? This minus, okay, this minus and plus will become minus. So here it will be x minus 7 minus x minus 4. Okay. This total will be multiplied by 30. This one, and then 11 into this two bracket, that is x plus 4 and x minus 7. Or if you will observe, this plus x and minus x will get cancelled. Minus 7 and minus 4 will give you minus 11 into 30. The good thing is what? Here also we have the 11. We'll bring it here. That is like this. And then x into this one. X into x is what? X square minus 7x. This you will. And then again plus 4x minus 7 4s are 28. This 11 and this 11 will get cancelled. Minus is there. So the 30 will become negative x square. If you will observe this one. Minus 3x because minus 7 plus 4 and then minus 28. Now if you will take this number also, it's what opposite operation, therefore it will become x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0, and final QE will be x square minus 3x plus 2. If you will compare with ABC, that is A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 2. Okay, you can write it here for your reference. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 2. Then by quadratic formula, what you can do? X is equal to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A will give you minus of minus 3. Plus minus again minus 3 square minus 4 into what is A, 1 into 2 divided by 2A is equal to minus into minus 3 will give you plus 3 plus minus again 9 and then minus 4 2s are 8 into 2 into 1 which will give you 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. So x will be 3, under root of 1 is what? 1 only, 2 or 3 minus 1 2, which will give you 3 plus 1 4, 4 divided by 2 is what? 2, and 3 minus 1 is what again? 2, 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. So these are what? Nothing but the roots of the